Okay, we have another vocabulary lesson. This time we are going to be describing people and things, also using adjectives. I will say the words and leave time for you to say them as well. So we have tall here, tall, and short. Tall, short. Long hair, as you can see, and short hair, as you can see. So long and short can also be used with other things besides hair. This is just one example. Long hair and short hair. Then we have small or little, which is the same, and large or big. So we have this small or little mouse and this large or big elephant. Nice and mean. Here we can see this boy is being mean because he's trying to take this bear. Nice, mean. Heavy and light. Heavy, hard to carry, and light, easy to carry or lift, like this lady with this exercise weight. Heavy and light. Loose and tight. So you can see this man's clothes are loose. And on these clothes are tight. Then we have funny, like this picture, and serious. Funny, serious. Fast, like this runner, and slow, like this turtle. Fast and slow. Straight, you can see this nail is straight. And here we have crooked. These nails are crooked. Straight, crooked. Expensive. This jacket is expensive. It costs a lot of money. And cheap. On sale, meaning less money. Expensive and cheap. Then we have straight and curly. And for example, we have hair again. Straight hair, like this, or curly hair, like this. Then we have dark and light. Full, this box is full, it has things in it. And empty, there is nothing in this box. Full, empty. New and old. Young, you can see all the young children, and old. So we can have young and old. Then we have open and closed. We can also use this when we talk about stores. A store can be open when you can go visit during business hours, or closed when you cannot go. Good and bad. Soft, like these socks, and hard, like this rock. Dry, you can see she has an umbrella and the rain is not getting on her. Dry. But here, wet, the water is on her, so now she is wet. Easy, so you can see here this person got all of these words correct because it was easy. They knew the answers. Hard, maybe they did not know the answers and they got a lot wrong. Easy and hard. Then we have neat, like this room here, or messy, like this room. There's things everywhere. Neat, messy. Then we have pretty and ugly. clean. You can see these kids are clean. And these kids are dirty. They have a lot of mud on them. Clean, dirty. Noisy or loud. So you can see this dog is barking, making noise. Noisy, loud. And then we have quiet. Quiet. Rich, meaning a lot of money, and poor, meaning not a lot of money or no money. Rich and poor.